Hello, here is devlog, I want to say 5 now. This one is quite big. We finally have an enemy in the game. We'll get to that in a second. Nothing much has changed here. I fixed a couple of bugs. One where the tutorial appeared regardless of whatever keycard you picked up. That was an easy fix, just create one, it doesn't create a widget. The hidden mechanic is still very much not working, however. I am working on that, and that does tie into some of the bugs with the enemy you will see in a minute. But apart from that, the same bugs. I still can't understand a fix for this. I've searched everywhere. Put it. I'm gonna put it on the unknown forums because I can't tell what it is. Here now we have the mover. Works exactly the same. Um, Here's the first puzzle of the game. You have to build a staircase. Or, I'll show you a bug real quick, which is very, very useful, seeing as I can't do my own puzzle. You can just kinda Gmod magic carpet it. I plan on fixing this in... Oh, I have an idea of where, while the object is classed as, like, held, the player can't stand on top of it or step up, whatever. But, you know, it's only me testing playing it for now. I know not to cheat, as you just saw me cheat. um, but in this next room, you will see the enemy. It's a bit unpredictable. It has a roam, and that was terrifying. It was just waiting for me. Are you not gonna? Oh, there we go. There we go. No, no. Oh no. Oh no. It's gonna hit me. Oh, so now I took this inspiration from Dead by Daylight, where if you get hit, you gain a short burst of speed, and the enemy slows down slightly. Now it does have a roam. I'll show you that in Simulate. Um, it does have like a random roam to it. No pathing. It's just the nav mesh. Um, but as you can see, it follows the player when it sees them. I do, for some reason, the code is not working. I have it coded so that it should go back to roaming after it loses sight of the player. However, it really does not like doing that. Um, it also gets stuck on a lot of objects, and I'm not too sure on why. To be fair, a lot of the objects in this are very shoddily collision fixed. It also can't walk through doorways because the nav mesh cuts off here because it's an object. I'm not sure how to fix that. I might just have to make it so that the doors remove collision or something afterwards, after you use them or whatever. Oh no, it hit me again. Yeah, so this almost just over doubles your speed, nearly triples your speed for about 3 seconds. At the end of this corridor will be the end of the tutorial level, which I'm still working on a way for what actually makes you progress through the levels. You know, in Doom, it's just a room that you find at the end of every level. And given that I want to spice it up a bit, so I don't know if I'll use teleporter for that maybe as a second purpose, or I'll find a way to make it make sense. Yeah. So like I said, we have an enemy now. It does not do much rather than follow the player and hit them occasionally. Um, but it's in the game now. There's something to be running from. Um, a lot of the puzzles will be designed about enemy pathing and stuff, but I'm just happy that we now have an AI in the game, regardless of how bad it is. It's definitely not starting the singularity. I'll say that much. I've just realised something. The crosshair is not appearing on the screen unless you are holding an object. That is very weird. I've been testing this for about 2 hours now, and I've just noticed that that is not here. That is very odd. But yeah, nonetheless, not anything too huge. However, I feel like having an enemy in the game is a pretty big achievement now. So yeah, I'm going to work on some of the bugs over the next few weeks. Deadline is in about a month now. Looking forward to it. Should get everything finished by then, hopefully. But other than that, that is everything. I'll show you the pathing. Still some removed from parent nodes, causing massive issues. I'm tempted just to remove widgets from the prototype, just so the game runs a bit better. However, I'll live. But yeah, in Simulate, you can see the pathing. It is a little bit buggy, but it gets the job done. As you can see, it moves. It moves. You can see the nav mesh on the floor. I've enabled navigation view, So you can all the green spots are where the AI could hypothetically move to. It doesn't have the ability to climb, however, the tables for some reason can be climbed on top of. There gets stuck on a lot of things. That would just be something that I need to add to the on fail node.